here. Or right here. These pictures coming up are from this location. Okay, riding behind the best snowboarder that ever lived, Glenn Bushmeyer.
Only in our family.
That was awesome. Here he comes. Here he comes. Yeah.
Yakking in the background.
That's okay.
Dude, he's only like 500, he's 100 feet off the deck.
Wow. That was sweet. He was like only 100 feet off the highway too. That was crazy. Hey, here with my cousin Glenn Bushmeyer. We are in, where are we? Ridgecrest. Ridgecrest, California, which is off 395. Which was on our way back from Mammoth Mountain. We spent a week at Mammoth. Thanks, cuz, for that. It's his birthday today, too. Happy birthday.
Oh, thank you.
It's my birthday tomorrow. Yeah, so we're spending a little family time together. We met some guy at the top of the mountain, right?
11,000 feet.
11,000 feet. He recognized me, took a picture, and I posted it online. Chris, thank you. That was awesome. But I posted that, and then this other guy that follows me was like, hey, my garage is like right on your way home. Can you stop by and say hi to me? And so that's what we're doing. We're at this garage and we're gonna say hi to another follower. So appreciate my cousin Glenn for letting me take him a little bit out of the way and do this.
Not a problem.
All right, let's go see this guy.
Let's do it.
I had to get the meet up here. This is Brian.
Brian.
Yeah, nice to meet you, Brian.
Yeah.
This is your dog.
Yeah.
Shop dog. Hey, hi. We like shop dogs, huh? So I was getting some shots of your garage here so we can tell people where to come, you know, when they don't want a parts changer, right? When they want someone that can actually troubleshoot.
That's for sure. Come see us.
So I told Glenn that too. This is my cousin Glenn. I said, hey, if you ever have any car trouble, now you know where to take your car.
Right off the highway.
Right? So if this guy follows what I'm doing, he's got to be somewhat decent, right?
It could be worthwhile.
Yeah.
You want to meet my guy?
Yeah, let's go inside. You don't mind if I'm filming this, dude?
Yeah, go ahead.
This is your crew?
This is them.
You guys don't mind being on camera, do you? Nice to meet you guys. Yeah.
That's Dan. He was my master tech. He just retired 2 weeks ago. 7 years old.
How's it feel being retired?
New.
Yeah. Yeah, that's cool.
Appreciate you stopping,
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, it was kind of a strange thing meeting someone at 11,000 feet. There's like, hey.
Up there on the
Yeah, is your name Dan? I was like, I knew where he was going. It's not Dan, it's Paul. But I'm like, no, it's Paul.
Knew.
And then I posted that, and you're like, hey, I'm on the way back. And I'm like, I definitely got to stop, you know?
I appreciate it.
So when did you start watching my videos?
Probably when I first started here a few years ago, 4 years ago. Started working with Dan. And,
Yeah.
He's a genius, and I started watching your stuff. You guys are very, the skill set's very
That's cool.
similar. So.
Well, I appreciate you letting me film this.
Yeah.
I'm going to plug your business for you.
Alrighty, appreciate it.
Yeah, for sure. So it's Paul and Sons,
Yes.
right? And are you a son?
I am. It originally started my grandpa's Paul. My dad is Paul.
Okay.
My dad has bought it from my grandpa.
All right.
So now we're second generation.
Oh,
Paul
sweet.
Sons, so.
Yeah. Well, it's a nice area, man. You guys got a nice shop for sure.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. So this is Paul. Sorry, I missed it before, but this is the owner, Paul, and son is
Correct.
Brian.
Sons.
The
other one is at lunch. He's not.
What's your first name again?
Brian.
Brian, that's right. Paul and Brian. Well, show me the shop real quick. I want to see it. Yeah.
Let's check it out.
I saw a big RV out front too. So you guys do more than just cars here, huh?
We basically do everything here.
And the weather's cooperating with you guys here. It's pretty consistent all year around. So doors are pretty much open all year around.
Sometimes there's just some big winds coming through.
Yeah.
Like a,
So it turns into basically sand dunes inside once the wind starts
Yeah, I
blowing.
bet.
We got a pretty good place here.
Yeah, I like it. I mean, I'm jealous of the weather you guys have for sure.
Yeah, you just got it on a good day.
Yeah, I guess the winds would be a little bit
Yeah.
something I'm not used to. So how many techs you got working here?
So just these two
And
now.
then
We just retired 2 weeks
okay.
ago.
So who's gonna pick up the slack? Huh?
Me and River, yeah.
Okay.
And Joe, we got big shoes to fill.
Yeah,
so
for sure.
Anybody wants to come work, come see us.
Yeah, for sure. Or if you need your car fixed, this is the place to go, right?
Yes, sir.
On your way to Mammoth Mountain and you don't know what to do and your car's running like crap. It's
Stop
Paul
by.
and Sons off of what? What's the address here?
140 West Ridgecrest Boulevard.
All right.
So
And
come
what's your
see
phone
us.
number?
760-371-9116.
Perfect.
We'll tow you in too.
Yeah, we've got trucks.
All right, yeah. All right, sweet. This is the place to be.
You ready? Did I give them to you? No.
Nope. We're on film again.
Why?
Just to wrap it up and say how cool that was, and supporting the industry is what this is about, and being able to meet people, you guys in particular, is pretty special to me. As special as that was for Brian and his crew is just as special for me. And again, cuz thanks for letting me do that, man. Just being on the way and being, I mean, a little out of the way, not too bad.
Now we can see Ridgecrest.
Yeah, yeah. And so I hope to do that with more of you guys in the future as I'm traveling and doing whatever. I'd like to, and my wife was even talking with me about that, is making it a point to go places that people are using my material and, you know, trying to up the game of the business and trying to promote what you guys are doing. And this was a great opportunity to do that. So thank you, Brian. Again, Paul and Sons, for letting us stop by, and we appreciate each and every one of you. This is my 360 right now.